Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, InnoTV. It's really nice to see you again on the internet. I'm Rita, and the content and information of this video is threefold. Firstly, we're having a review and outlook of the industrial memory market trends for DRAM modules and NAND flash. Secondly, we'll share with you an application study of Innodisk storage AIoT solutions. And lastly, we'll update you with news and information about our newly launched products. Okay, now we're on to the DRAM module and IC price trend. For DDR3 and DDR4, DDR3 price remains stable than DDR4. The IC suppliers will decrease quite a few DDR3 wafer production output in 2022 because servers have strong demand in next year with an almost 18% year-on-year growth, and suppliers would like to switch more wafer output to server. And for DDR4, recently the buyer pulled in DRAM IC from both major suppliers and spot market, which caused a small rebound for 2 weeks. Buyers mainly focused on the purchase of 8GB IC. Okay, so now for the NAND flash industry outlook. The major NAND flash suppliers continue to slowly scale back production for 2D NAND flash, and the number of suppliers for 2D NAND flash products has now shrunk to around 2 to 3. Hence, the SLC and MLC segments of the NAND flash market have a more balanced supply-demand relationship compared with the more mainstream TLC and QLC segments. This context also enables suppliers to raise prices slightly on SLC in Q4. For other flash types, TrendForce does not expect the latest round of negotiations for quarterly chip contracts to show notable changes in prices. Furthermore, the impact of the ongoing component gaps has widened to numerous application segments of the NAND flash market as the capacity crunch in the foundry market remains unresolved. The differences between the NAND flash inventory level and the inventory levels of other components have been growing over the past several months. TrendForce reports that downstream stock-up activities have been constrained by shortage of non-memory ICs, and there are still no clear signs of a turnaround. Okay, so in this part, we're gonna introduce you an AIoT solutions by Innodisk. Innodisk, with our subsidiary Antenna, delivered a combined surveillance-optimized storage and AI platform solution to an Australian manufacturer of automated garbage trucks. In Australia, one company has specialized in single-operator garbage trucks where garbage bin handling is done by a robotic arm. Due to the many tasks of operating such a vehicle, the manufacturer was concerned about accidents and damage caused by mismanagement and human error. This is the reason why the manufacturer opted for a smart 330-degree in-vehicle surveillance solution that will use AI to power object detection through a mobile vision system. This solution ensures that the robot arm handling waste bins on the garbage truck will react to changes in its environment both to avoid accidents and to improve performance. And in this case, there are several challenges that the manufacturer faced. One is the frame loss. Low-quality footage will threaten object capture performance, and also the automated response. The system needed to determine by itself when to halt operations as a security measure and not rely on human input. So Innodisk provides the solutions with optimized surveillance SSD that Innodisk has developed a storage solution that minimizes frame loss and enhances surveillance systems. And also the high-performance AI platform from Antenna's AI solution that delivers rapid data analytics on visual input for efficient AI decision-making. And so finally, for the result we've got, the objective detection and high-quality video provided through Innodisk and Antenna's components proved crucial to the implementation of this AIoT system. 360 degrees of vision around the truck enable the vehicle to be operated by a single person assisted by an onboard AI, ultimately lowering cost while also improving performance and safety. This case amply demonstrates how industrial-grade components are used to create the core architecture of AI at the edge. We at Innodisk believe that through cooperation, we can overcome any challenge. By maintaining a strong line of communication all the way from inquiry to implementation, we ensure a tailor-made solution that fits your application. We remain committed to innovation with our continual focus on hardware, firmware, and software integration. So should you have any requirements, don't hesitate to click the link below and get in touch with our consulting team. We will be pleased to advise you personally of information on sales and product increase. So lastly, we're gonna introduce you our latest launched products, which is the tiny, speedy, easy integration, the world's first M.2 10 gigabit Ethernet LAN module. In a digitalized and technology-powered world, demand for high-speed Ethernet is rising in tandem with Industry 4.0, the installation of advanced software, and cloud computing. However, as the traditional 1 gigabit Ethernet LAN can no longer fulfill the needed speed, the increasing transfer rates do create numerous opportunities for those crucial industrial solutions in markets and scenarios ranging from surveillance to gaming, networking, and industrial uses. So Innodisk has released the world's first M.2 10 gigabit Ethernet expansion solution to meet the demand for increased speed and reduced size, high-speed LAN solutions. The EGPL T101 M.2 2280 10 gigabit Ethernet LAN module is the smallest 10 gigabit Ethernet expansion solution with low latency and lowest power. It is also 10 times faster than gigabit Ethernet and features flexible integration and excellent compatibility with existing network infrastructure for backward compatibility. So if you want to learn more about our M.2 10 gigabit Ethernet LAN module, please click the link below in the description. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you have a nice day. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.